Hello friends, and welcome back to the video lessons of the IMPACT This is my 17th video for the listening part. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to deal with the questions which reads multiple choice, multiple answers. This is a bit challenging version. If you can just recall, the just previous videos was about the same questions or the same context even. Here it is a bit challenging because the options are a bit longer. So what you have to do a bit differently here, you have to underline the keywords of the options as well, even if this is the question of section 3 and section 4. So this is what we are going to do here. I have already played the video in the earlier sections if you can recall. So I'm not going to get any additional time for that. So I'm just going to show you that what will you do if you are given the time to go through the questions. So I'll read this. Which two are the main reasons given for the popularity of the activity holidays? So two main reasons. Client can make new friends, so perhaps making new friend is an option. Learn useful skills. So it's all about learn about different cultures. Excited by the risk involved. Clients find them good value for money. So these are my options, and I will try to find the answer with these options. Again, the same the formula you have to follow. If you find any option or keywords, but you find the answer is wrong, you have to cross it out. So you might get 3 crossouts or 2 correct answers. So let's start the video straight away.
One trend we're noticing with nearly all age groups is the growing popularity of holidays in which clients do some kind of specialized activity. I'm not talking here about adventure holidays where clients take part in high-risk activities like whitewater rafting just for the thrill of it. Activity holidays usually involve rather less high-risk sports or things like art and music. They're not necessarily cheaper than ordinary holidays, often the opposite in fact, but they do often take place outside the main tourist centers.
So you have seen they're not necessarily cheaper, so good value for money is wrong. No adventure involved, so risk involved. So 2 are immediately wrong. Let's look for the 3 options now.
Which gives an opportunity for clients to find out more about the local people and customs. And many say this is one of the most positive features of these holidays. Of course,
so clearly said this is one of the most positive features. Means out of the 2 main reasons, this is the one most positive feature. We got that. So let's look for the second one.
Of course, they offer the chance to develop a new skill or talent, but clients often say that more than this, it's the chance to create lasting relationships with other like-minded people. That's the main draw.
So again, it was said that's the main draw. So clearly, here he said that's the most positive features. Here he said clearly the main draw. Here it says more than this. So you can clearly get the answer if you're careful with your keywords ready. If you can check the answer, you can check the answer here at the bottom. You can write the answer in any order, right? Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video with a new question type. Bye for now.